My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekhar classes on applied data science with Python. This is lecture number 105. In this lecture, we will try to understand empirical rule, that is 68, 95, 99.7 rule with one example problem. First, we will try to understand what is this problem. Assume that the mean of 1 year old girl in the US is normally distributed. Means this is normal distribution curve. As it is normally distributed, I can always apply 68, 95, 99.7 rule. This rule is applicable for only normal distribution curve. With the mean about 9.5 kgs. What is my mean? Mu equal to 9.5 kgs, isn't it? That's what it says. With standard deviation approximately 1.1. Let me say sigma equal to 1.1 kgs, isn't it? Without using calculator, estimate the percentage of 1 year old girl in the US that meet the following conditions. His intention is you have to find probability of a baby less than 8.4 kgs weight. Probability of a baby of 1 year old girl between 7.3 kgs and 11.7 kgs. Also, you have to find probability of 1 year old girl whose weight is greater than 12.8 kgs. Now, we will try to understand how can I apply this empirical rule. As I told you, as we were discussing in previous slide, what is your mu value? Mu value is 9.5 kgs and this sigma is 1.1 kgs. It's not new thing. I already discussed in my previous slide. We already discussed this particular empirical rule in my previous lecture, that is in lecture number 104. We were saying that this is one standard deviation. Is it not one standard deviation? This is mu. This is mu minus sigma. This is mu plus sigma. Isn't it? Mu plus sigma. What is the area? Area in between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma according to that rule. This is 68. Isn't it? That I already discussed in my previous lecture. That will use 68%. That's what it says. Just see. It's an area between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma, where this is mu. One standard deviation from mean, mu minus sigma, this is mu minus sigma, that is area is mu plus sigma. In similar manner, two standard deviation also I discussed. If it is two standard deviation, that is 95%, isn't it? This is mu minus 2 sigma. That I already discussed in my previous lecture, isn't it? This is mu plus 2 sigma. Of course, this is mu minus sigma. This is mu plus sigma. We already discussed this is 68% probability. This is 95% probability. You must understand this 68% is subset of 95%. Even you can extend this discussion for mu minus 3 sigma. Just see, this is where we are. This one is mu minus, this is mu minus 3 sigma. This one is mu plus 3 sigma, isn't it? Mu plus 3 sigma. What is the area? 99.7%. This I already discussed. This one is mu minus 2 sigma. Mu minus 2 sigma. This one is mu plus 2 sigma. This is mu minus sigma. This is mu plus sigma. This is mu, isn't it? If for one standard deviation, that is area in between mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma is 68%. Its area in between mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma is 95%. Area between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma is 99.7% probability. It's nothing new thing. I already discussed it in my previous lecture. Now we will try to understand, we will try to apply this to our problem. Our problem says mu equal to, what is our mu value? 9.5. In that 9.5 kgs. Mean weight, or sigma equal to 1.1. This is given in question. Now let me try to identify one standard deviation, that is mu minus 1 sigma. What is my mu minus 1 sigma? 9.5 minus 1.1. What is that? That is 8.4. In similar manner, mu plus 1 sigma, that is 9.5 plus 1.1, that is 10.6. Just see, means 8 in between 8.4 and 10.6. Just remember, I will write 1 sigma values here, 8.4 and 10.6. Isn't it? Just see. Now let me say like this. Let me erase this one. How can I write? Let me take second standard deviation, isn't it? What is my second standard deviation? This is 8.4. Just see, this is 8.4. This is 10.6. Area in between. This is mu minus sigma. This is mu plus sigma. Even if you calculate mu minus 2 sigma, just in similar manner calculate mu minus 2 sigma, you will get 7.3. Mu plus 2 sigma, just see, mu plus 2 sigma, you will get 11.7. This is 7.3, 11.7, isn't it? In similar manner, if you calculate mu minus 3 standard deviations also can be calculated, isn't it? Can I calculate 3 standard deviation? How can I calculate 3 standard deviation? Just see, mu minus 3 sigma. What is my mu minus 3 sigma? Just substitute this, 9.5 minus 3.3, that is 6.2. What is my mu plus 3 sigma? That is 9.5 plus 3.3, that is 12.8. This is, therefore, what is the value? 6.2 to 12.8. We already calculated mu minus sigma, mu plus sigma, mu minus 2 sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu minus 3 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma. We know what is mu comma sigma from given problem. Therefore, just see, 8.4, 10.6. This is 8.4, this is 10.6. This is related to 68% case, isn't it? Next one, 7.3, 11.7. Just see, this is 7.3, not 73. That is 7.3. This is 11.7. That is mu minus 2 sigma. That mu plus 2 sigma. That is 95%. Mu minus 3 sigma. That is 6 into 12.8. This is 99.7. Just have an idea of these values. Now you can apply to our problem. How can I apply? If you observe carefully, just what happens here. If you observe, it is in between. This is mu, isn't it? In between 8.4 and 10.6. That area is 68%. Is it not? It's 68%. This is 68%. Why? Because that is one standard deviation value we discussed in previous lecture. After this one, 100%, I must say 100 minus 68, 100%, the 68 is just remove. Therefore, what will you get? I will get 32%. This area, this remaining area, this area and this area, that is 32%. Therefore, I must divide 16% left side, 16% right side. Why? Because it is symmetric. This is symmetric curve. Remaining area is 32%. This 68% is over. Remaining area 16% left side and 16% right side. Then what happens here? Just see. What is our question? This 32%, that remaining 36, after removing 68%, that remaining area is 32%. This area plus this area, as it is symmetric, I need 16% and 16%. What is my question? I need probability of 1 year old US girl whose weight is less than 8.4 kgs. Less than 8.4 kgs means this is the case. This is the case. Less than 8.4 means what is this area? The total area is 16%. Therefore, what is my probability? Less than 8.4 means my probability is I can say it is what is the value of this particular less than 8.4? This is less than 8.4. This is 16%. This answer is 16%. Means in that particular data set, baby girl, otherwise a girl whose age is 1 year old, less than 8.4 kgs is 16%, means 16 by 100. This is the probability. It's simple and straightforward. 8.4, isn't it? Now we will try to understand second question, what it says. Again, let me say what it says. What is my second question? Between 7.3 and 11.7 kgs. This is straightforward. Is it not straightforward question? Why? Because I already explained how this is not 73, it is 7.3. This is 11.7. He is asking probability in between 7.3, 11.7. Whose probability? Probability of a girl whose age is 1 year old lies between weight of the baby girl is in between 7.3 kgs and 11. It's straightforward question. There is nothing new here. That what is the area? This is essentially mu minus 2 sigma, mu plus 2 sigma. What is the rule? According to rule, area between mu minus 2 sigma and mu plus 2 sigma is, what is the rule? Rule says 95%. Means probability of a 1 year old girl whose weight is in between 7.3 kgs and 11.7 kgs is 95%. I can say 95 by 100 I can say. That is my second question. Now we will try to understand my third question. More than 12.8 kgs. More than 12.8 kgs means what? Just see. This, I think you might have remembered, this is 1 sigma, this one, distance. This is 7.3, it's not 73. This one is 2 sigma. What is this? This one is 2 sigma. What about this? This is 3 sigma, isn't it? 3 sigma. What is the area in between mu minus 3 sigma, area in between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma according to the rule? Which rule? According to the rule of empirical rule, I can say, that is 68, 95, 99.7 rule. Area in between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma is 99.7, isn't it? 90, this is the case, 99.7%. Therefore 100 minus 99.7 means what will I get? I will get 0.3%, isn't it? I will get 0.3. That remaining area is 0.3%. As it is symmetrical distribution, that 0.3%, if I divide by 2, I must divide by 2. What will I get? 0.15%. Means about 12.8, after 12.8, I can say like this. After 12.8, that is 0.15%, and below 6.2, that is 0.15%. My question says I need probability of 1 year old US girl whose weight is more than 12.8 kgs. More than 12.8 means after 12.8. What is the area after 12.8? In between 6.2 and 12.8, you have area 99.7 area. Total area is 100%. 100% I must remove 99%. That remaining area is 0.3%. As it is symmetrical distribution, half of the area on left of the left tile and half of the area is on right side of the this one. Therefore 0.3 by 2 means 0.15%, less than 6.2, 0.15% after 12.8. But my question says I need probability probability of a girl, 1 year old girl whose weight is more than 12.8, that is essentially 0.15%. Therefore my answer is 0.15% is my answer. It is simple and straightforward. Just go through this lecture. Certainly you can understand. Just if you have any difficulty, just please keep a comment so that I will try to answer. Thank you very much. Try to solve different problems on this particular rule. This rule is very important in solving many data science problems. Thank you very much.